In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add negative keywords in Google Ads using 3 easy methods. Let's get started by guiding you through the entire process of effectively using negative keywords to optimize your ad campaigns. Negative keywords in Google Ads are crucial because they ensure your ads don't show up for searches that are irrelevant to your business. This not only helps in saving your advertising budget, but also increases the relevance of your ads to potential customers. Ultimately, better targeting means better results. First, you'll want to go to Google Ads. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Google Ads. Once the page loads, click on the Sign In button. You'll need to enter your credentials here, so make sure you have your login details ready. Once signed in, you'll be on the Google Ads homepage. This will be the dashboard where you can access all the features related to your campaigns. Next, navigate to the Campaigns section. Look at the menu on the left side of your screen and click on Campaigns. This is where all your current and past advertising efforts reside. It's important to get familiar with this section because it's where you'll create and manage your campaigns. Now, to focus on keywords, click on Audiences, Keywords and Content. Once there, it's essential to focus on the keyword area. So from that menu, click on Keywords. Here you'll see all the keywords currently attached to your ad campaigns. But since we're focusing on negative keywords today, this isn't what we're after just yet. Now move your attention to the negative keywords option in the same area. Negative keywords are just as important as regular keywords. They tell Google which search terms you do not want to trigger your ads, ultimately refining the quality of your traffic. To add new negative keywords, go ahead and click on the button labeled Add Negative Keywords. You'll be able to manually enter any terms you consider irrelevant to your business. For instance, if you sell luxury items, you might add cheap as a negative keyword. Once you've added your chosen keywords, make sure to save them. This action ensures your ads won't display for these terms, making the ad spends more efficient by preventing clicks from unlikely buyers. It's about smart advertising and ensuring you get the highest return for your investment. In summary, by implementing negative keywords into your campaigns, you'll have better control over when your ads appear and can fine-tune your strategy to reach the perfect audience. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.